Wishing you a great start to a new day with Ojashwini in GK class. So, Chapter 5 India's Freedom Fighter. Instructions said every day, but nobody will avoid these instructions. You have to read every day and also must have to follow these instructions. So, today's topic is India's Freedom Fighters. India is a free country and we all are its free citizens. However, the freedom we enjoy today is a contribution of many freedom fighters. So, today we will study about India's freedom fighters. The number one is look and recognize him. Who is he? He is known as the Iron Man of India. He integrated India by uniting 565 princely states. He became the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. I hope everybody recognize him. And name of this great person is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The next one is he is popularly known as Punjab Kesari. He was injured seriously by lathi blows while opposing the Simon Commission and suffered death. Recognize who is he? Yes, Lala Lajpat Rai. Very good. The next one is he is a revolutionary. He is also referred to as Shaheed. In protest against the British, he threw two bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly where no one was hurt. He was, however, arrested and hanged to death. And name of this revolutionary is Bhagat Singh. Shaheed Bhagat Singh. The next one is he is popularly known as Netaji. He formed the Azad Hind Fauj, Indian National Army, and fought to liberate the country from the British rule. The next one is he formed the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. When surrounded by the armed police, he gave them a tough fight, then killed himself with his last bullet at the Alfred Park in Allahabad. And what is the present name of Allahabad? Write in the comment box. And name of this great man is Chandrasekhar Azad. Recognize this personality? He is also a famous freedom fighter and he is a freedom fighter and poet too. His poems are full of intense patriotic feelings. This Indian revolutionary was involved in looting the money of British government from a train at Kakori. And name of this great personality is yes, Ram Prasad Bismil. Very good. All your answers are correct. So, today we will read about 6 freedom fighters who has a great place in Indians' hearts. And the first one, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Did you know something about him? There is a statue before 1 or 2 years in the end of October, 31st October. What was made and inaugurate thing? And if your answer is the Statue of Unity, so you are correct. The world's largest statue, Unity. Statue of Unity. Now, your today's homework is write name of all freedom fighters in your GK book. In chapter 5, study again after this video class then write name in good, neat, clean handwriting with no spelling errors. So, thank you.